Thanks a lot for that. Well, just 20 more seconds and we're heading into the market opening. 10 seconds left. The rupee opening actually has been slightly on the higher side, 83.08 compared to a close of 83.11 that we saw yesterday. And that's the opening bell that you can see. First tick on the index is absolutely flat with a bit of a positive bias, you'd have to say. The Nifty hanging on to the 19,400 mark. The Nifty Bank actually is supporting, up almost about 100 odd points right now. And what's leading from the front is a couple of these Adani Group stocks. Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports are in the green. You have HDFC Life that's up almost 0.7%. UPL, Power Grid, BPCL, a couple of other stocks that are in the green right now. And L&T, LTI, Mindtree, Sun Pharma, Titan are a couple of other names that are holding up at the moment. What's not looking good this morning is Reliance Industries. It's a tad bit soft. I mean, nothing alarming. Tata Consumer Products and a couple of these IT names coming off a tad bit. Infosys is down almost about 0.2%. Bharti Airtel, Eicher Motors, Britannia are a couple of other names that are just trending in the red right now. So all in all, you'd have to say that, there's that deal, by the way, on SGS Enterprises, where 33% equity has changed hands. Nimesh was telling us about that. So keep that on your radar as well. But by and large, the market is very quiet. The opening is very quiet. And you'd have to say that individual stocks are, a few newsmakers here and there. On the upside, though, Adani Group stocks are topping the charts this morning. But Nigel, what else are you noticing in the broader markets this morning?
Well, one stock that's reacting to Nimesh's standard brokerage report, Citi on Oro, they've downgraded the stock, as Nimesh told us, from buy to sell. Revised target price at around 750 rupees, so that one's down 2.5%. IEX is pulling back a little bit. It's down closer to around 2% as we speak. On the flip side, you have NCC that's up closer to around 2%. What a big move that stock has had. Year to date, it's up closer to around 80%. It's moving very, very well. India Bulls Housing Finance as well, up closer to around 2% to kickstart trade. And a couple of other notable movers, I think Adani Power, that's one of the big volume movers today. Well, that stock, in fact, is up close to around 5% as we speak. Lemon Tree as well, up 2.5%. So a pretty good start, actually, from a broader market perspective, though the headline index, as we said earlier, is still in a bit of that range.
For the second day running, the Adani Group stocks are basically what is leading. And we were discussing that with Hemang in the morning. Adani Transmission, Enterprises, Power. So, those were a part of the Nifty and outside the Nifty as well, doing quite decently well. What else? Jupiter Wagons is once again locked up, limit up 5% higher. Stocks at about 300 now. As we were pointing around the same time yesterday, some 200, 250% this year. Lemon Tree we highlighted. Scient DLM will come up. It did very well yesterday, and it's up another 2.5%, 3% this morning. There is Chennai Petro, which is up 2%. Stocks at about 376. There is Repco Home, which is up about 2.7, 2.8 odd percent. Car Trade is up 4%. There is Brigade, which is up about 2% or so. And then, volumes kind of start to taper off. This is the bulk of what is doing well with decent-sized gains. So Geo Finance, I think Geo Financial is down 5%. Like yesterday, there is a bit of a selling pressure, which is there. So 236 on Geo Financial as we start. IEX is down 1.25%, and there is Titagarh, which is down about 1.6 odd percent as well. And of course, there's the big block of SJS. Stock is absolutely flat with a 1% move lower. 15 points on the Nifty. So this is really quiet so far. So let's see. 19,400, just above 19,400 is where the Nifty is holding up for now. Andrew